Hi, today I will show you how add event to your calendar on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Firstly, swipe up the screen and find calendar application. Tap on it, and there we have all day when we can add our event. Maybe we tap on 29th of February, and after that we press this plus icon, and there we can add title of our event. There will be we can set when event start and finish, or we can set by the switch it will be all day. Repeat of our event may be every month, every year, or never, what you need. After that, reminders, we can set when we get reminders of our event, maybe one day in advance, or don't remind with me what you need. There we have, when we set our reminders, we can set that we'll be get alarms of that, no only notification. Calendar accounts, we can add it to calendar account of our family member or our friends, and then we can add location of our event in description. When you add all you need, you press this icon and you have it in your calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.